What's up, Dad? Hey, this video is for you. Thanks for being an amazing dad and father, grandfather. We're so blessed to have you in our family. And honestly, I wouldn't be doing this Guthrie Boy channel if it wasn't for you, because all the fishing we've done, flounder gigging, hunting, guns. Man, love you, Dad. Thanks for everything you do. Hey, welcome to another episode of
Guthrie Boys!
What's up, guys?
This is the Guthrie Boys. We're gonna do some cooking out tonight.
That's what I'm talking about. About to cook it up. Watch this, boys. Fish or pork chops?
Fish, any day.
All right. Fish or pork chops?
Both.
Both. All right. Fish or pork chops?
Fish.
All right. Happy Father's Day. It's the day after Father's Day. We're grilling out. We're at my dad's. We're about to cook up some fish and pork chops. Waiting for the oil to get just the right temperature so we can drop these fish in there. What's wrong with that? What you making, baby?
Making some coleslaw.
Coleslaw?
Coleslaw is always one of our favorites with fried fish.
Thanks, Jen.
You're welcome.
Your hair looks good.
Does it?
Yeah, man. That's fresh.
I'm very hungry. I haven't had fried fish in a long time. So I'm pretty excited.
What's the choice of?
Well, they
drinks?
don't have Mountain Dew. Is that Mountain Dew, Alex? No. Is that Mountain Dew? Thank you. Thank you.
All right. So if y'all haven't watched our video with the shrimp head getting eat off, this guy right here, he eats anything, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Is this another YouTube video?
Maybe.
Hey, did you go out and play?
2-second rule. Let's see how these pork chops are doing. Oh boy. This is batch number 2 right here. You're a pro at this.
I come from a long line of cookers.
What's up, guys? Hey, if you haven't liked, shared, and subscribed this video or any of our videos for Guthrie Boys, see, you hurt his feelings. Please like, share, and subscribe, okay?
Steve, I dare you to eat one right out the fryer right now.
This one?
That one.
Like right out the fryer.
Right out the fryer. Just do it. Ah.
No. No.
Oh, so close.
Nah. Good.
Woo!
Ready to go. That's good stuff.
That's good stuff. When it comes to Guthrie Boys, we like to catch it, eat it.
So Lila, when you gonna start the Guthrie Girls channel?
Oh no, man. I don't think I could ever measure up to the Guthrie Boys. I'm a little intimidated.
Help us to glorify you in all that we do. All these things we ask, your loving and gracious Son, Christ Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
I've had fried fish in 2 years.
We got plenty of fish, bro. Look it up, Dad.
You go.
I get you. What you got, buddy? What you got on your plate right here? Talk to me. What is this?
Beans.
What's that?
Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. So it's almost gone. What is that? What was that?
Fish.
Fish. What you got? What you got going on here, buddy?
Mac and cheese.
Hey, and one more thing.
Happy Father's Day. Thanks for watching.